Good morning. We just got back from 2 weeks in Norway, which is why I haven't posted anything last week. It was a family trip. Maybe I'll post some of the video from there, if anything turns out to be okay. But in honor of that, I thought that today we'd make a traditional Norwegian fish soup. This is a soup that is super easy to make. It's nice on the budget, it's quick, it's family friendly, and it's very, very Norwegian. So let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients for a traditional classic Norwegian fish soup is a little different than a French. You're going to need fish, of course. This is cod. It's about 400 grams of cod for 4 people. You're going to need fish stock. This will make about a liter. You're going to need a leek. This is the world's largest leek, so I'm not going to use all of it. 1 to 2 carrots, depending upon the size of the carrot. 1 yellow onion. You're going to need butter and flour to make a roux, because the soup is going to be sort of cream or milk based. You're going to need milk. You're going to need crème fraîche. You're going to need some chopped chives to put on top. And of course, some salt and pepper. That's it. So it's a very, very simple soup. So let's get started. Bring about 7.5, 8 deciliters of water to the boil and add the stock cubes for the fish stock. So that's about 8 deciliters. And while that's boiling, we're going to dice the carrots and the onion and the leeks. You just want to make sure that there's no sand left. It's not nice to get sand between your teeth as you're eating your soup. Just slice the leeks into half moons like this. If you have a smaller leek, you can use the whole leek. All right. So here we have carrots, onion, and leek. Now this goes into the pot with the fish stock. So just add all the vegetables to the fish stock, and we'll let that simmer until they're almost done. So melt about 4 tablespoons of butter. And add about 4 tablespoons of flour. And then stir that together. Let that thicken with some milk. I've got to turn the heat down a little bit. Once that roux has started to thicken, or once that sauce has started to thicken, start adding a little bit of fish stock and vegetables. And just go ahead and add the rest of the fish stock and the vegetables here. We're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the soup to simmer, I thought I might as well introduce myself because I realize I haven't really done that before. My name is Cecilia. I'm 65 years old. I live in a small town in Sweden where I have a very average retired life. We just came back from 2 weeks in Norway, thus the Norwegian soup. I love to cook, and I thought I'd do this YouTube thing just as something fun to do in retirement. So I hope you're enjoying the channel. Now let's get back to the soup. All right, so once our vegetables have softened a bit, it's time to add the fish. So you want to cut it into, I don't know, bite-sized pieces. I wouldn't cut it too small because it'll just disintegrate. But something like this. Oops, something like this should work. Now I'm using what we call cod back, which is like the centerpiece of the cod here. If you can't get a hold of cod, I'm sure any other white fish will do. So now we just add this to the pot. So now we've added the fish to the pot. This takes no time at all, so don't let it overcook. And then last but not least, some crème fraîche. So stir in about a deciliter of crème fraîche. And if the soup seems to be a bit too thick, you can always add a little bit more water. Now all that's left to do is to taste it, add some pepper. I prefer, as you know, using white pepper for these kinds of things. And then we just plate it up and sprinkle with chives. And serve it up with a nice bread. We'll add some sea salt. Give it a taste for seasoning. That's fine. This is a mild soup, so great for kids. I keep saying that, everything's great for kids. Sprinkle some chives on top. And serve. And there you have it, Norwegian fish soup.